Hey guys, here's a sewing tutorial on how to sew these low-rise fold-over shorts. When it comes to printing the sewing pattern, make sure that you're printing at the actual size and the document and your page size are lined up. When you're done printing, you'll be left with 9 pages. Right now I'm just laying it out to show you guys visually how it will look once we tape everything together. Connect pages 2, 3, 4, and 5 together to create your waistband. To connect each pattern piece, align the edge of the paper with the edge of the border printed on the page. There's no cutting involved. To create the main panel of the shorts, connect pieces 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8. In total, you'll be left with a gusset, main panel, and a waistband. Cut 2 gussets, 2 main panels, and 1 waistband. Pin both layers of the gusset to the main panel on this side with right sides touching. Sew the gusset to the panel. Once sewn, open the gusset and then pin the second side of the main panel along this edge. Pin along the opposite side of the main panel as well and sew both sides, like shown. Once sewn, open the tube we created and pin the front seam to the middle of the gusset. Pin from the edges of the shorts to the center of the shorts. Then sew along this line. You've just completed the base of your shorts. For the next step, we're going to attach the waistband to the shorts. Take your waistband and sew it together like shown to create a tube. Fold this tube in half, right sides out, to create a waistband. Connect the waistband to the shorts. Pin the waistband from the inside of the shorts so when it's sewn and flipped over, it'll look something like this. When you sew it from the reverse like this, the seam gets left underneath the fold and it gives it a cleaner finish when you're wearing the garment. Now it's time to hem your shorts. All you want to do is fold the edge over, pin it, then sew. Once you're done sewing, you're done.